guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy hairstyles which you all can wear it anywhere you want, like for work, for college, or anywhere and look good. So for these 3 hairstyles, all you need is an elastic and any size of bobby pins and a cute little hairband. This is not cute, but it's just my favorite, so just say. So the first hairstyle, all you have to do is take a section from here and just roll it. So for those who want to cover their fringes and don't want them out something, you can just put your fringes in them. So all you do is you take and then you just roll it all together. Roll it till the end. And take your first bobby pin. That's a bobby pin, and you just pin it in place. So if you want to make it tight and stuff, you can just add another bobby pin to it, and then you just put your hair on it. So that is your first hairstyle. I hope you all can see it. So for the second hairstyle, you can just make a high ponytail and put your headband right out here and remove some fringes. It'll look like this. Or if you don't want the ponytail, then you can just roll it up in a bun. So you roll it and then you put it up. So that is your end. It goes right behind. And you take your bobby pin and you just pin it right there. It up. If you think that's loose enough, then you can add another bobby pin to it so it's really tight enough the whole way. So that is, there are 2 ways of your look number 2, and it's a nice cute bun. Look number 3, all you need to do is take a section which I've already removed. You take a section from here and then you make a regular 3-strand braid. Now for those who yet don't know how to make a regular 3-strand braid, it is really easy. These are your 3 sections. Just make it clear. These are your 3 sections, right, middle and left section. So right section goes in the middle, then left goes in the middle, and then again right goes in the middle. So that's how you just do it. I will complete it till the end and then I'll show you what to do after that. So this is your 3-strand braid. Then you hold the middle section in the bottom and you take the other 2 sections and you just pull it up till the start point. Now after you've done that, you gently just loosen it up so that it's visible. So that is pretty much it. Then you just take your bobby pin. You take your bobby pin and you just pin it in place. You can use 2 bobby pins just to make sure that it's tight enough. And that is your look. So if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe now because I make videos every Tuesdays. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye.